Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a mini envelope and note card set using this free printable junk journal template. You can find the link to the free download in the description below. This mini envelope and note card set makes cute embellishments for your junk journals, and using this template you can easily assemble the envelope in various different ways to create different types of embellishments. The template comes in two formats, PDF format for easy printing and PNG format, which is more flexible when designing in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or even Canva. The PNG format template gives you options when designing. To get started, open one of the PNG templates in a photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements. Open a digital paper or pattern and position it on a layer underneath the template layer. To place the papers, you can use the copy and paste function from the main menu or simply drag the file out of its frame and onto the template document. Instead of using just one digital paper, you could also add two or more different papers and position them under specific sections of the template. Once you've completed the design, you can save the file in JPEG format and print it out onto good quality cardstock, or store the file in a folder on your desktop for future use. In a similar way, you can also use these templates in Canva. To get started, first log into your Canva account and create a new design. Set a custom size at 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches high, which is the size of the template. After you input the size, you'll be taken to the Canva editor. Now you'll need to import the template file and the digital papers. To import the files, select the Upload tab. You can either click the Upload button, browse to the folder where your files are located, and then select the files, or simply drag and drop the files directly from the folder onto the upload area. To create my design, I'm importing the PNG template file together with two digital papers. Once the files are uploaded, to add them to your document, simply click on a file and it automatically inserts itself onto the document space. To move the file, drag it into place and then use the handles to resize it if necessary. Once all the files are added onto the document, you'll need to go to the Layers panel and reorder them. To view the Layers panel, click off the document and onto the background area of the editor. Then click the Position tab on the top left. You'll now see all the layers listed in order. To move the layers, grab them and move them into position. You'll always want the template to be on the top layer. Once the layers are in order, you can resize and move the papers underneath and position them wherever you want. To get back to the main editing screen, click on the background area. Once you're happy with the way your design looks, download the file to your desktop. While the PNG templates give you more flexibility when designing, you can also print the templates using the PDF template file. When using the PDF template file, You'll first need to insert a patterned or coloured paper into your printer. Then open the PDF file in a PDF reader such as Adobe Reader. Make sure the page scaling option is set to none to ensure that the template prints at the correct size. The wording of this option might be different depending on the type of reader that you're using. Once the file is printed, cut out all the pieces. You can use the template over and over using different digital papers to make as many sets as you like. Using a creasing tool, make creases along the top, bottom and side sections of the envelope. Fold all the sections toward the back and press using a bone folder. The envelope can now be assembled in a number of different ways. You can find lots more easy-to-use junk journal templates in the template library in my online store.